Good morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee from SS Public School. Today we are going to take the last part of your chapter electricity. Some questions are just need to be discussed, that is I am discussing right now. In page number 209, on what factors the resistance of the conductor, that is depending on the length of the temperature, area of cross section, you know the answer, write it by your own. Will current flows from easily from a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material, as the thin wire will make the heat more it will conduct heat, means it will release it more less, uh, faster in comparison to that of the thick wire, and thus connected with the source. Let the resistance of the electric current remains a constant. The potential energy of the two ends of the conductor decreases half meter. This question is a homework. Please do it by your own. What are the coils of the electric current and the electric iron made of the iron rather than in pure metal? It is a very important question, and this may come in the board exam. So electric toasters are made up of alloy, because alloy are good conductor of electricity. They readily burns. They do not oxidize. Sorry, they do not oxidize or burn easily. This is the reason why we are using. Which among the iron and the mercury is a better conductor, and which material is the best conductor? So it is in page number 207. It is given in the conductivity, and the resistivity of the conductors is been given to you. Kindly do it and find the answer, which material is the best conductor. Okay, so come to page number 100 and 213. You have to draw a schematic circuit. You know how to draw the electric circuit. Two questions are like that only. And what will be the reading of the ammeter and the voltmeter? You need to find it out. Okay. Then come to page number 116. Okay, 113, 213 page number. These two questions you have to do it by your own. Next question is 215. So judge the equivalent resistance of the conductor parallel to the conductor 1 ohm, 10 to the power 6 ohm and all. The equivalent resistance following are connected in parallel. If it is in parallel, so find it out. What is the value? The electrical lamp of 100, 500, 200 voltage is being given to you. What is the current flowing through it? V is equals to IR. Find it out. Okay. What is the advantage of connecting electric devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting them in series? Because in parallel, if one circuit breaks down, it will not affect the whole circuit, but in series it will affect the circuit itself. This is the reason. How can the three resistance of resistor 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected, as this is in 4 ampere? So in the fourth question of page number 216, this is 1 by 2 ohm plus 1 by 3 ohm plus 1 by 6 ohm. If you take it out, this will be equal to 12 ohm upon 12 ohm, that is equals to 1 ohm, which is the second part. And the first part, that is in parallel. Okay, in parallel we have to take parallel. Okay, then in question number 2a, it is 1 by 3 ohm plus 1 by 6 ohm will be equal to this will be equal to 1 by 2 ohm, that is R, is equal to R. So R will be naturally, so this 1 by R, so R will be naturally 2 ohm. So 2 ohm again plus 2 ohm will be equal to 4 ohm itself. First in parallel, then in series. Okay, first in parallel, then in series. These are the answers. Then why is the highest and the lower temperature can be secured by combination of 4 resistance? 4 resistance you make it out, and which one is the highest and which one will be the lower resistance secured by the combination, that you have to find it out. In page number, what determines the rate at which the energy is delivered by the current? Energy is delivered in the in the term of commercial unit. Energy motor has 5 ohm and 250 ohm. This particular power generation determine the current. Current is there in I is given, V is given and T is given. I, V and T is given to you. You can find out the heat generated or the power from the motor. Power from the motor is defined by P is equals to VI. Okay, you can find the answer itself. And the rest of the questions which are there in exercise, kindly do it by your own. If If you have any queries, comment in the comment section or the WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. And one more thing I just want to tell you that if you have any queries related to the topic in topics which you haven't understood, please comment in the comment section. And your half yearly exams are going to start from 9th, and it is your some of the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And half yearly course is 3 chapters, that is 10, 11 and 12, that is electricity, human eye and colorful world, and lights. These 3 chapters are included for your half yearly exam. Hope you have understood the topic. If you have any queries, please tell me. Thank you.